down the shits. Shit. We out here, sledging place. After traffic is gonna come up and meet us. I got no smoke unfortunately, but I think we're gonna meet the homeboy. One of my homies, he's got some cart for us, which will be good. Yeah man, look at this fucking place. It's looking sick. Gonna go sledging on this fuck uphill. That flood's going crazy. I know you can't see this right now properly how I'm seeing it, but look at this. I know that looks absolutely disgustingly terrible. This is. Look at that. That is so dog shit, right? Travis Scott album cover here for real. Got on a fence. Shit. Out here with the motherfucking.
You ready?
Yeah.
Shit for bonfire night.
I can't remember to be honest.
It's probably just going out.
Look at the place. Put your hand on the camera.
Hey, that's... What, like in an actual... Are you kidding me? I'm gonna message him. I'm gonna be like, go, bro. No, I'll just give you that.
No, I don't.
I would have never expected that from him. Gary hit him with
That's too trappy there. For real. I got my knife. I'm gonna go build a little fire in the woods. Yo. Little fire going. Put all this shit. It's pretty dark out here though, bro. So I ain't gonna have a big fire, you know. Have some smoke and go home, really, you know. Yep. Yep. Out here in the shits. Faggot boy there. Homeboy.
Sure you fuck him.
We out here for real. Yeah, that's the fucking ridge up there, bro. See the moon up there as well. You see the shits, man. It's pretty nice, you know. See the moon up there as well. Yeah. It's pretty nice right now, bro. Got my shits here. Put some motherfucking shits for the fire, and you know.